guys, welcome back to Once Upon DIY. I know I don't have my page here that says Once Upon DIY. That's because if you follow me on Instagram, that you would have seen the video. But there's a logo challenge. Any of the Once Upon DIYs that want to enter, you can. All you have to do is create a Once Upon DIY logo, then you tag me, and then also put the hashtag logo challenge DIY. So please enter that because we really need a logo. All the logos I've been coming up with are not so great. But anyways, back to the video. Today I am doing the coloring book. I'm creating my own coloring book. Today's is going to be like a city skyline, but it's gonna be at night, so there's gonna be like a moon and stuff. And I love like mandalas, or it kind of depends on how you say it. Mandala, whatever. You know what I mean. But it's kind of like that. I love those, so I'm gonna incorporate that. And let's get on with this coloring book page, not book. Coloring book page. Now I'm going over all the pencil marks with this pen. thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like these coloring book videos. I can always do more. I love to hear from y'all, so please do comment, and please do like, and please subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at onceupon_DIY. There's also a coloring book challenge on there. You just tag me and add the hashtag, and then you create your own coloring book page and you post it on there, and then there will be a winner. I haven't decided like the last due date, but yeah, can't wait to see all of what y'all create.